Hi Jim, Danny is at headquarters today, so we will get her to create the horizontal walk-around video and send it over to you at 7 spot. We got our AKD demo car back from paint yesterday and chose the Ecosse Blue for this one. It looks absolutely awesome. So I'm hoping to get some good photos of the two AKD cars together and send them over to you in the next little while. Today we are taking the first AKD production car for the 4-hour government IVA test. Here's hoping all goes well and get a pass certificate. This is an important step because a pass will get the AKD registered for UK roads. We are quietly confident, but when you create something new, there is always the chance you miss a small detail. Thanks loads, and we will get updated videos and pics over to you as soon as possible. Kindest regards, Wendi.